Hey everybody, my name is John. I'm with Affinity Home Medical, and today I'm going to talk about the Pura 503. It's basically a smaller ozone cleaner, and it's portable. You can take it with you if you're traveling, if you're going to vacation. It's just a great little machine to take with you if you're trying to keep your CPAP clean. Setting up the Pura 503, and I'll kind of go over how you set it all up. Everything is really simple. You're given this adapter here, and it's going to plug into the front. From there, you have your CPAP hose. You're going to hook it up, and you'll see here that everything is connected as so. And from here, you're just going to put it on your travel bag. I recommend putting the mask in first, and then kind of stacking the hose in on top. And the reason for that, as you'll see very shortly, I have everything like so. I'm going to put this in. If you leave the Pura 503 kind of on top, it just makes it easier to turn on and zip up. So once you get it kind of situated, go ahead, hold down the button for 3 seconds, and you'll hear a beep. From there, you're just going to zip the bag up. You'll hear it humming, and it's going to start creating the ozone. And that's this cycle is going to last 35 minutes. After the cycle completes, you're going to wait 90 minutes. Just to let everything settle, and then you can take out your mask and your hose and you're free to use it. Now, one thing that the manual does point out is that some people may be bothered by the smell of the ozone. I will say with the Pura 503 that it doesn't have as strong as a smell as some of the other cleaners that we have, but there is still a smell. So if that bothers you, run it through your CPAP machine. Just don't put it on or anything. Just hook up your hose, turn your CPAP on, and let some air blow through it, kind of push some of that out. The battery, when it dies, they do give you a charging cable right here. Unfortunately, you can't use the Pura 503 while it's charging, but it is nice that it has a rechargeable battery, so you don't have to worry about packing this every single time you take it somewhere. But do make sure you keep it handy, don't lose it, because at some point you will need to charge it up. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. I hope this informs you guys, and I will say one of the best things about it is just how small it is and how easy it is to tote around. You look at this bag, you can put your Pura 503 in there, wrap it up, and throw it in a book bag or something if you're traveling. So it's a great option for any of you guys that travel for work a lot, or maybe you just like the portability of it, But anyway, that's going to wrap up this video. Like I said, my name is John. Chris and I appreciate everybody subscribing, and we hope that you like the video. And if you do, be sure to hit the thumbs up, and if you have any questions or anything like that, you can call us, or you can simply leave a comment and we'll get back to you. I hope everyone has a good day, and we'll see you in the next one.